Hi everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters. We are in the warehouse again, and now I wanted to share with you, as we unpack this container, we received a huge amount of Eduard restock, as well as new kits that lots of people have been emailing saying, when's the new Eduard coming in? Some of it is starting to show up right now. There are still boxes and boxes over in the back over there, but as you pan down here, we're starting to put some of it away on this first aisle, and then we've got another aisle over in there that we put it on as well. To show you some of the new ones, we just got in a whole bunch of these. These are the new P-51 Pacific, Tales of Iwo Jima, the long-range fighter on this one with the yellow tail. Kind of a cool one. They're also changing all of their boxes around on Eduard, and I'll show you that in a minute there. There's also the new Spitfires. Now these are the dual combo kits, the limited edition, so you get 2 early Spitfires in here, plus I believe a resin figure, if I'm not mistaken, on this one. Here's another one here, Tally-Ho Spitfire story. Another double pack right here, 2 full kits inside with lots and lots of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different markings that you can choose from when you get this particular kit. And then as you can see, we've got lots of World War I, and like I said, they're still putting all of that stuff away in the back as they bring it forward, as they check it in. Most of it all should be checked in and on the computer now, so if you want to buy any of this stuff, you can go over to andyshhq.com. It's up for sale in there. We got some of the new Mustangs. I know there's some down here somewhere, but this is the new box art. See how they're doing this new one with the black and like the goldish brown? Looks almost like a wood tone right there. Some nice looking box art here on the P-51Ds. And as you come down the line here, you'll see, oh, this is also the other new kind of box art. This is their new weekend edition box art for the P-39Q Airacobra, and also one on the new Falls D3A. That's some nice looking box art right there too. Beautiful looking art. And then as we come on down over here, this has been lots of restocks of Focke-Wulf 190 A5s, you know, A8s, A6s, all the different variants they made. But this is the one that we've got lots and lots of people ask for. These are the new Spitfire Earlys. So this is a Mark I. You can see right here, nice looking box art. And also the new one is the Mark II, yeah, let's see, Mark II-A. So another one. And these are the Profi packs. And hopefully you can see multiple types of decals in this. So you get 5 full sets of decals. And then as we check more and more stuff in, more of the weekend editions, all of those things will get added to the computer. They're also available in our store as well. Now we're over at the ICM pile, and the other day you saw me going through mini art. Well, also that came in were a huge amount of ICM coming in from Europe, and some really cool new kits, like this brand new Cobra. This is a brand new kit from ICM in 32nd scale. Nice size for that. Plus, there was also a restock of the Chernobyl sets. And if you guys aren't familiar with that, I did a video about a 1.5 years ago when the first set came out. And I've got some on the bottom down here, but there's a whole line of Chernobyl sets that if you wanted to create one heck of a diorama, you can. This is one of the newer ones. This is some of the radiation team. Plus, also, there is a whole line of World War I trucks. I love these right here. I actually want to build one of these for a diorama that's in the back of my mind. I'm working on something else right now, so I won't get to it right away, but look at some of these cool trucks, and you see these spoked wheels here and the suspension on it, and what a rough ride that must have been. And then we've got another American Liberty truck here, and then this really tricked out one. Look at the seat on that. The guy who was riding that was riding in some pretty good comfort there with that nice seat. And then there's all kinds of other sets, like a World War II British trucks, another Liberty truck with figures. And here we go. This is some of the stuff I wanted to show you. Look at some of these 24 scale now. So they're almost in the car scale. I know most of them are 25th scale, but 24th is pretty close. And check out that. That is a cool vehicle right there in 24th, as well as this one. Some very early vintage, I guess these are probably the 20s. Oh no, 1913, excuse me. 1913 cars, and as well as all kinds of German trucks, figure sets, as I knock everything over right there. But all kinds of really cool things have coming in from ICM, and these are all been loaded up onto the computer now as well. Plus also found more mini art after we got done with the other day. All of the mini art is finally up on the computer now because there was boxes and boxes and boxes. tons of stuff that I didn't even show you guys, but lots of full interior Panzer IVs or P-34s, all kinds of vehicles that went along with that collection too. So we have lots and lots of stuff, more stuff coming, but as you can see, we're still going through all of the different things here, finding rack space to put this all in. Now I want to share with you guys a new company that we've just picked up. It's called Verifier, and they are a maker of 350th scale and 700 scale ships. We just got an assortment of their 350 scale ships in, and I'm going to show you some of those right now. To start off with, we've got the USS New Jersey, the USS Missouri, and then two really cool ones that you don't see, the USS Louisiana and the Montana. Two versions of that, and also the Wisconsin has come out, and then some smaller ships like the USS Salem, the USS Cleveland, which is a light cruiser, and finally one of the newer ones is the Taiho. It's a Japanese World War II aircraft carrier. Okay, I've gone ahead and opened up the Japanese aircraft carrier Taiho. All of these kits come with some amount of photo etch inside of them here. And what I thought I'd do is just show you a little bit of the way the hull is molded up. Got that really cool armor belt around the water line there. It is a two-piece hull. Did you see that? And inside there is lots and lots of plastic. Now I don't have enough of these to open up one completely, so maybe we can show you through the plastic what the parts look like the deck here, some of the airplanes that are included inside this kit. Looks to be pretty nice, and there are lots and lots of little detail parts in here as well. And right down to the little tenders that come on here. And then moving over to the USS Montana, you can see a little bit more of the photo etch that comes inside this. It has quite a few of the railings in there. And also, this company, Verifier, has a full line of super detail kits too that are available that we hope to have in those very, very soon as well. So there you go, guys. There is a quick look at some of the new kits that have just arrived in the United States in our warehouse and in our store. I am in the process right now of working on a build video. Fortunately, I can't share with you yet what I'm building, but that will be coming very, very soon. Soon as I get the okay to announce it, I will release that. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you as always for watching, and please stay tuned because there are many more videos coming.